Hello everyone, welcome back to Unique Creations. As you can see right now I have a bowl full of cut up fresh fruit and carrots, also ginger. And today what I'm going to be making is a immune booster juice today. And the ingredients are apples, carrots, oranges. Also have a lemon cut up in here, up under here, you can't see it. And a piece of ginger. And what I'm going to do, going to actually add it here to my juicer and going to get this juicing thing started. It's really good for you. The ingredients are really good. They're beneficial for your for immunity. The carrots are rich in beta carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. So you know that's crucial for your immune function and the vision. The apples offer the fiber and the vitamins, minerals, and helps to reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress, which is actually good for the immune system. And the oranges are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, supporting the immune system and helping the body fight infections. So I'm going to get this juice started. Basket is loaded, and I'm going to turn it on and get it started. Watch the magic happen. I have the carrots, the lemons, the apples, the oranges. Also have ginger. It's really good for the immune system. Another healthy juice. Let's get the juices flowing. Not only is this this juice good and healthy, it's also delicious. So good and healthy. This immune booster juice with lemons, carrots, ginger, apples, and oranges. Can't go wrong. This is the last of it. Hey everybody, welcome back to Unique Creations. Just want to show you guys my carrot juice here. Actually, when I make juice sometimes, I put it in these different containers I have. Keep them in the refrigerator, keep them fresh. This is the carrot juice. This is the end of the carrot juice. Well, not the end of it. The end result of the carrot juice. And it's actually really good, and it's good for you. So you know the carrots are also good for your eyes, for the retinal in your eyes. So it's really good. The orange juice that's in here, I put oranges in here, the lemons in here. And if you just try it, you'll like it. It's full of antioxidants and vitamins and nutrients. This juice is really healthy for you. It's overall a good immune booster for your immune system. So that, show you guys. And it's really refreshing and good for the summer too. This juice is really good. So good, you can't even taste the carrot in it. It's so good. But just wanted to show you guys the end results. And if you don't have a juicer, well, I have a Nama 2 juicer. If you don't have a juicer, you probably should invest in getting one, because they're great for cold pressed juices. Anything that you're making is cold pressed. Those juicers are phenomenal. They work really good. And I know that the one that I actually purchased it directly from the vendor, but now I think Amazon carried them. I think Amazon carried the Nama and the Nama 2, NAMA. I think they carry them on Amazon now for just a tad bit less from what I paid for it. But just want to share that with you all. Thank you all. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please hit the like, share, also subscribe button. I want to thank you all for watching me. Thank you all. You should try this juice. This juice is really good. And to everyone who's watching, y'all have a blessed and a beautiful day today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.